Welcome to Roblox Budget. Okay, guys, in this video, we'll be talking about how to design a fireball, okay, that kills you. So, obviously, I want a fireball, so without wasting time, I will not add a block, I will add a sphere. I have a sphere now here. And after you have this sphere, the next thing that you want to do is you want to add fire inside it. So I'll click the plus icon of this part and I will add inside it fire. You can see there is a fire inside it right now. It looks pretty small. I will change the size of it. But before I do that, let's rename this part. Right now, the name of this part is part. I'm going to rename it. I'm going to call it fireball. Okay, by the way, you guys might have questioned why to rename it. I think for coding, I really like to rename things. So I really want everything to be sorted. So I have renamed it to be called as fireball. Now, the fire size is very small. So what I'll be doing is I'll click on fire and you have properties of fire, right? You can see, you can change the color of fire. If you guys are from different planet, you can make a pink fire, okay? A blue fire or whatever color you like, okay? So you can change the size and the color of fire from here. I think I'll go with this, looks good. And I'll change the size of fire here, right? I'll make it the maximum. I think you can even if you try to enter 40, the maximum is 30. You see that? I'll make it 15. I think 15 looks pretty good. So this is the fireball, right? And the size of the fire I showed you guys is 15 size. Let's also do one more thing is let's change the color of the fireball, the part, I mean. I'm gonna change the color of it to be red. So maybe it's anchored so that it does not fall. Now this thing you can use in obbies, okay? So when you touch it, you die, right? So if you want it to work like that, you have to add a script. You can add a script inside it. Click on the plus icon of fireball, add a script. Now I want that when someone touches the fireball, they die. When they touch it, I repeat, when they touch it, right? So you see, this is the script. Okay, right now you are in the script. If you want to go to the fireball, you have to write here script dot parent. What is the meaning of it? Okay, please look here. Same like you are under your parents. Every kid is under their parents. Like that, fireball has two kids, or I can say fireball has two things inside it, fire and the script. Okay, or if I say, hey script, who is your father? The script will say, hey, my father, my parent is fireball, because it's inside fireball. So script dot parent dot touched. If anyone touched the parent of script, that means if anyone touched the fireball, then you're gonna run connect, means run a function. Let's call it poo poo, right? So you can name anything you want, right? So if anyone touches the fireball, it's going to run a function called poo poo. So I will make this function poo poo before this local function poo poo. Okay, now we have to type here who touched. We have to check who touched the fireball. Do you want to kill a tree if a tree touches the fireball? Do you want to kill a car that touches the fireball? I think that'll be too much. So for now, we're going to check that if a humanoid means a player or NPC, touches a fireball, they should die. So I'm going to write here local human equal whoever touch, please check inside him that does he have a file called humanoid. Okay, I'll write here fine. For the first time it might look hard, but when you do it again and again it will be easy. So everyone has a file called humanoid. Every character has a file called humanoid. Every player who is playing Roblox has a file called humanoid. If Whoever touches it and they have a file called humanoid inside them, we're gonna kill only them. So if it's a humanoid, then that humanoid will take a damage. Take damage. How much damage they should take? You cannot make here 1000. The maximum is 100. Okay, because the health of a character is 100. So if whoever, okay, if someone touches the fireball, it's going to run a function called poo poo. So we are checking who touched it. If it's a humanoid, means if it's a character, then that character will get a damage of 100%. Okay, please make sure if my T is uppercase, D is uppercase, your D or T should be uppercase as well. Now let's try it out. Let's see if it works or not. So I'm simply gonna fireball, I want to touch it. Die. Okay, so you can see that it works, but I also might want to add a sound effect. So if you want to add a sound effect when you touch it, you can, right? You can just go in the toolbox audio section and let's say evil laugh. Well, sorry about that.
Caitlin is stink.
Oni.
Or maybe a Rickroll, I think. Yeah. Better.
I just wanna tell you I rickrolled you.
Okay, when someone touches this fireball, this song will play. So this song might come in your workspace, might go in your camera, wherever. When you insert it, you have to put it inside your fireball. And whatever song you are adding, you can rename it. You can rename the song to be called as sound. So when you touch the fireball, this sound should play now. Let's see if I can do that. So after humanoid take a damage, I will write here. Let's wait for 1 second and then play this audio. Script.parent.sound:play, and this is how you play a music. You are in the script. You go to the parent and then you go to the sound and you simply play it. If you want to know how to add background music, please check out another videos in my playlist. Okay, let's find out. If I touch it, I should die now, and the music should also be played.
I just wanna tell you I rickrolled you.
And it works, So guys, please make sure you like, subscribe, and share. And also, this technique you can use to design lava sticks as well. So that should be pretty much it for this video. See you soon from Roblox Party.